Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a little pumpkin project for you guys for fall. This can go any way. It doesn't have to be a certain way. You don't have to use the same plants that I use. So you can use moss also to put around it and then place your plants. I like that idea, but I also had an idea of using this sedum because I have a lot of overgrown sedum. So it has a good stem, like the length of the stem is good, and I know it will stay down in the soil. So this is what I want to use. So I'm gonna start doing that. So this does the same thing as the moss would do. You know, like if I were to do this with moss, I would place all my moss around it and then place the plants in so that the moss would stay in place. You know, the plants can hold the moss in place. So that's what I'm gonna do with this first. I just want to place these all around. I think all around. That's what I was thinking, but I might change my mind, so we'll see how it goes. I have many different little succulents that I've gathered. This pumpkin is from the Dollar Tree. If you guys make one, I would love it if you guys would send it to me through Instagram. That is the easiest way that I can communicate with people, is through Instagram. So yeah, I like Instagram. I'm always talking about Instagram. You know why? It's just there's nothing else there, at least in my Instagram, but plants. So there's nothing else calling my attention but plants. And maybe like anything that I like, that's what's gonna come up. So I cut these up. This is a kalanchoe. There's so many kalanchoes I cannot remember the name, so I'm sorry, but it's a very common one. This one, as you can see, has been getting some sun, and that's what gives it that really nice color. I'm trying to get used to this tripod because it covers the screen for me, so I have a hard time being able to see what I'm showing you guys. So I want to like it, but it's been very difficult. This one's got a little more blue to it because of it was growing more in the shade. So that, then I have this really nice looking Sedaveria Sorrento. I like this color because it has some nice colors for fall. So I'm thinking I might use this. Actually, I like it right here. I was just talking about it. Okay, I also got these little baby California Sunset as well because they have really nice orangey colors, like a pink, peachy orangey color right there. So I like that, but I'm not fully decided. I just wanted to show you some that bunch that I had to behead today for many different reasons. See, it just looks really pretty with any succulent that you put on here. It's just gonna look pretty. You really can't make this ugly. There's just no way. No way, unless you get some poor looking plants, you know, like if they're dying, then I guess that would be a way. But yeah. Okay, so I think I might put the green all around. I'm not sure. I'm thinking I really like how it looks with the plants just coming out of it. It's also very different. This one does not want to lay the way I want it to lay, so it's not going to go. This is a really pretty sedum. very easy to propagate as well. The stem just has to really touch the soil, and pretty much that's it. Oh, sorry guys, I got distracted. So like I was telling you guys, this pumpkin is from the Dollar Tree. All I did was just cut the middle part out, and that's it. And then I scraped it a little bit deeper with the spoon. This is dry soil, so your cuttings will be safe. Okay, now let's see what else. I know I like these here, very pretty. I believe this is something violet mist. I don't remember what it is. I mean, I can't remember the name. Let's see how I'm gonna set it up in here. You just want it to look packed. And I know I like the purple, so I did like this here, so I'm gonna scoop some soil out. Hold on. You want it to look nice and compact. Help the soil reach the plant. Let's see, what else do I want? There's so many that I want to use in here that I can't even decide yet. Maybe these I'll put here. Let me see. Just want to make sure that your succulent is touching the soil. Okay. Maybe I'll squeeze those in later. Hold on. Let's see this one. Oh, I think it's turning out super cute. Take advantage that this will be here, holding this one in place. Gotta trim it a little bit. wants to come out. Okay. Oh, it's looking cute from every angle. So the middle, actually the middle, I might use these. But the really colorful ones that I wanted to use are too short. The ones that have more color are too short. I cut them too short, so. My dishwasher is going. Sorry, guys. One more. I like this one, but I don't know if it's just sticking out too much, or I can see a little bald spot there, and I don't like it for the succulent hair, the arrangement. Let's see if I can get this one in there touching the soil. Okay, that works. Can I get another one? This one has, that one actually has roots. My kids are playing a game on the Xbox. It gets really intense. You can hear them. It sounds like a bunch of madness going on. And then the other one has to go back in. Where's this one? Okay, that is super cute. So, I like it a lot, and I like this color, but this one is just not, does not have good flow to me, so I had to take it out. It's just not, it doesn't look, I don't know, something is wrong with it, so I'm going to remove it. And do I have another one of those? No. Put something else in there. Hey, maybe I could put my colorful ones that I wanted. Oh, that one's too short. But it can be peeking through here. And it's in soil. The sedum, I need one here. Yeah, I can get one out of here. There we go. There you go. And I can put it here. That's gonna be better. I need cohesiveness, if you can't tell already. Okay, I'm gonna have to cut it. Oh gosh. Trimming can be difficult because you're trying to pull the little leaves out and then you accidentally will pull the stem like I just did and messed it all up. Yeah, I took a lot of it by mistake. There we go. There we go, guys. Oh, the sedum got sunk in. Hold on. Come on out, buddy. There you go, guys. I'm all done. Look at how cute this is. It looks so cute, guys. I love it. Okay, let me clean up and give you a better look. Here it is. I brought it outside because I think you guys can appreciate the colors better. Let me see if I can just see how cute the sedum looks. Just like if you were to use the moss, well, it's the same thing. So let me zoom out a little bit. There we go. It's so cute. I think it turned out super nice. Dollar Tree, and just ate some cuttings from your garden, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. You guys have a blessed day. Bye, guys.